property.
We use the square tubing to make an actual frame to support the steel that we remove, and the door itself just attaches to the normal wood framing.
So here's the steel tubing, our container, and then the door frame. He has the entire door tack welded. He will eventually go back and weld the entire thing and seal it in.
So today, pretty much just working on getting the window frames built, and then we're going to start getting some windows put in. So hopefully by the end of the day, we'll have both of our windows in our bedroom installed.
What happened to the house? I don't like change.
Comment below if you get that reference.
So right now, I'm basically just cleaning off the burrs off the side of the steel from when I cut it earlier. But we just got the steel cut out for the window. So now I'm working on getting the steel part of the frame put in, and then we'll put the actual window in. So get closer.
So we're under tornado watch. We're kind of just picking up the property. We put all the chairs under the house and all of that. Braden's at the house that we're staying at back in town, and he's with our dogs, and so we just got off the phone with him and have him prepped and ready just in case there's a tornado, what he needs to do with the dogs and all of that. We should be fine. Warren County just opened up their shelters, so makes it a little bit more serious, but we should be fine. We're not worried. We get a lot of tornadoes in Texas, but so yeah, we're just kind of picking up and we'll see. He did get the window fully put in though. I did not get it filmed because my phone was dead, but he did get it put in, so.
These thunderstorms continues to roll through the zone where those members of St. Louis into Illinois.
Thunderstorms, fuck yeah.
Storm Prediction Center and see how. Severe weather.
So we're probably going to try and get out of here around 6. That way we can try and avoid the thunderstorms and tornado coming through and all that. Well, I don't know if we're going to get a tornado here, but there's been a couple in Missouri so far. So we're going to leave by 6. Until then, Summer's going to try and get some grinding done. And we only have about half a grinder wheel left, so we'll see how much she can get done. We're about to leave here in a few. I just kind of wanted to do this before we left. So yeah, I started getting the support pole put in. Got the roof grinded down right there. That way I could get it put into place. And yeah, so we're basically just going to do two 2x2 poles together right here. That way we have one going to each 2x2 that's going through the ceiling. Because that's what the main ceiling beams are on these, is just 2x2 11 gauge. So that's why we try to stick with the same stuff that it's already built with. But yeah, so I got one of them in, pretty much ready to get welded in there, and then I can put the other one in. And then as soon as that's done, bye-bye wall. And then for the bottom section right here, I actually used a piece of angle iron I had left over from the sawmill. That way I could have a plate going between the two containers to connect both of the pieces of tubing together. So I can weld along the floor line all the way around and then weld the tubes to this piece of steel here.
We're big about recycling materials. So he got one pole put in. He still needs to weld it up top, but he got one.
It's tension held in place right now. It's probably 1/16 of an inch bigger than the actual space. That way it's pressured into place and it's actually supporting the roof already. That way, you know, better than it just sitting there getting welded and then being pushed down whenever it gets weight on top of it. So
yeah, he will have to weld that one and then add another one in there. But other than that, pretty good progress for today. A window and a support beam. I'd say that's pretty good.
I'd say so. I'm ready to cut that wall out tomorrow. I'm really excited about that.
Yeah.
Cut the wall out, get the window in, and maybe the sliding glass door. That would be a big day.
So next on the agenda for tonight is we're gonna go to Lowe's and look at sliding glass doors. So see you then.
What up? We're at Lowe's getting some windows and a door.
Okay, after all of that mess, we decided to take the glass out and then lay everything on its side, and then we have a moving blanket on the toolbox. So yeah, we'll see if this works.
That should do it. Drive real slow.
Access roads?
Real slow. We made it!
Yeah. Looks like we got just a little bit of rain. The gauge was empty before we left yesterday, so I think what we're gonna do is try to get this glass door inside and then get to work. I've gotten over 50% of the container grinded. I did pick up flapper discs which somebody did recommend, and they work pretty well, but they're expensive and they go really quickly. So there's notches in the container, which I'll show y'all. I'm going to use the flapper disc on the notches because it'll make them go by really quickly, and then I'll use the regular disc on everything else, just because these are freaking $8 a pop and they go within like 2 minutes. So let me show y'all what I've gotten done, what the plan is, and then Cody is installing our bathroom window, so I'm not going to bore y'all with grinding. I'll take y'all over to him. So these are the notches that I'm talking about. I'm grinding down the seam, but these notches are huge, and there's 4 of them every couple feet. So I'm using the flapper disc to take the notches down, and then I'll use the regular disc to sand down the seam. So we'll see how long this takes. I'll update y'all when I'm done.
Whoa. Then you're not taking the one off our
There's nothing we can do. You've become me and I've become you in this story. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest. The final hour before we let it go to rest. And in our story, in the story, if you make no promise, there's no regret. It's over by the time you finish your cigarette. We're so into blue skies, but we don't hear the thunder. We're dreaming about the past, but we're going all for the better. We turn and walk away. All for the better, at least that's what they say. And now it's over, and now it's over. Wish we had done this, wish we had done that. Wait another minute and you're just a silhouette. So in the blue sky.
So he got the window put in, but we will have to replace the window. We didn't realize that it wasn't insulated. It'll do for now. We'll end up putting this one in the storage building, but we have another window in our bathroom. I've gotten a ton grinded, like a ton. All I have is that little patch, and then that little patch, and then that little patch. So while I start finishing and wrapping it up, Cody is going to work on the support beam now that he has the window in.
Wish we had done this, wish we had done that. Wait
I cried.
just a silhouette. So in the blue skies, but we don't hear the thunder. Dreaming about the past, we're going we're going
All right, so we got the 2 walls that were remaining out.
No more container walls on the inside.
Yes,
Well,
so-
down the middle anyway.
So it is one big open space. And then tell them.
So we got the support pole put in on that side. It is a little bit past 20 foot, so it's not directly in the middle. So after we got it cut out, I measured everything and found that about halfway on this side, the roof is about 1/4 to a 1/2 inch low. So we'll probably add another support over on this side somewhere. Probably won't do a pole right down the middle, but we'll do a little bit of framing in the roof to be able to support it better. So yeah, time to go home, shower, and make some dinner.
Yes, great progress. We've made so much progress today.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope.
What up?
What up?
Are out here working
Yes, I just got off
as
work.
usual.
Cody has gotten a whole other window done.
Almost done.
Almost done. But he's doing it a little bit different, so I will let him explain.
So as everything kind of goes whenever you've never done something before, everything's a learning curve. So with the first window, I kind of recessed it back into the wood frame and actually attached it to the wood frame. But with the bathroom window and then now with this window, I'm actually putting it inside the metal frame itself and attaching it to the metal frame. That way it won't look so recessed whenever we add insulation to the outside. And then also it'll give us more space for a bigger window sill on the inside. And it's actually a little bit more structurally better and it seals the window better. So 2 things we always like.
All right, while Cody finishes up our bedroom windows, I'm going to finally finish up this grinding. There's not that much left. I'm very confident I can get it done today. Let me show you. So I did half of our bedroom already. There is just this little piece right here. And then now that we have this wall out, this chunk got bigger. So I have all of that, and that is what has been done. Here's kind of a better angle where you can kind of see the whole room now and our bedroom. So I'm gonna take you back over to Cody and I will update you when I'm done.
For you, so much I can find my way. And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise. That with you I feel alive. You will be the last one I think about. When it all breaks down, I'll wait for you right here. And I swear that we got nothing to fear.
All right, well, I ran out of a grinder wheel. We need more grinder wheels. So we're gonna have to pick some up before we come out here again. And
I finished the window.
if he wanted to do anything else tonight, it would pretty much be starting another big project. So I think we're just gonna call it an early night.
Clean up a little bit and get on out of here.
Yeah.
So that's all, folks.
All right, see y'all in the next video, guys. Bye.